What's going on, all my beautiful magnet fishing peeps? I hope we're having a great day today. Today, I am currently out exploring. I'm on the search, y'all. I'm on the hunt for some new magnet fishing spots. And I think I just found something juicy. I'm out here probably, I don't know, maybe about an hour away from Raleigh. I had to do a little bit of digging to find this spot. Unfortunately, all my spots in Raleigh are they're pretty used up at this point, with the exception of one spot, my little grenade bridge. With the exception of that place, everything else out there is just completely done. You know, I gotta give that time. I gotta give some people the chance to go out there and lose some more stuff. My buddy Outdoors Weekly is on vacation right now. He had to get away from me for a little while, but he's on vacation. Whenever he comes back, we're gonna go hit that bridge. So, yeah, guys. But as far as today goes, this is it. I'm gonna go ahead and put y'all down. Oh, before we get to do that, we are going to be using magnets from Wukong Magnets. All their links will be linked down in the description. I'm gonna start with a single-sided magnet. No, I'm gonna start with a double-sided magnet. There we go, I'll keep it fresh. Yeah, it's pretty shallow, but I just have a pretty good feeling, y'all. This spot honestly looks really good. There's not a lot of like stuff going on out here. Let's get to the top of the bridge and show y'all what's going on up here. And here we go, guys. Here is the view from up top. This looks like it's gonna be a pretty good spot. Let's hang y'all over the edge. Can y'all see all those bluegill down there? There's so many of them. No, you can't see them. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the GoPro on. The GoPro 7, that new GoPro, the Mega Juice, the Super Juice, extra clear. But we're gonna go throw that GoPro on and hopefully we're gonna find some stuff. Wish me luck, team. So when I was down there shooting my intro, I noticed a little pile of scrap on the ground. So maybe someone's been magnet fishing here before, but there's also just like a crap ton of like tires and pallets and whatnot over there. So it may just be stuff from like floods and things of that nature. We got a lot of hurricanes here. This is North Carolina. I live in North Carolina, in case y'all didn't know that. And it's like every year we get like a super gnarly hurricane. Especially in this part of the state. The mountains, I don't know. I don't really know what it's like over the mountains. That's kind of far away from me. All right, folks. First throw. What are you, sir? Or ma'am? My apologies. What the heck? Well, first throw, we got some metal scrap and some more big old metal scrap. Nice. Some more metal, guys. There just must be like a massive pile of this junk out there. Oh, that was heavy as crap. Not that I know how heavy crap is, but oh my goodness. What the heck? I swear that was part of a safe. All right, hopefully this will help us get that thing, because it's crazy. I mean, I could have sworn it was like right here. I don't know where it would have went. Oh, I can almost see it, I can almost see it, I can almost see it, I can almost see it. I don't know what this is. Whew, that's heavy, guys. I put it back down to the ground. Hopefully my magnet will like resettle on it. You know, guys, we are going down there to get that. All right, whatever. It's not that deep. Damn. I should have not thrown that magnet. Magnets actually break, y'all. I didn't realize that at first until Bryce, Outdoors Weekly, broke a couple of his magnets. Whew, okay, here we go. Whew. Ooh. This isn't what we're going for. I've never magnet fished like this before. Felt part of a spray paint can. Let me make sure y'all aren't all watered up. Wow. Guys, check this out. I'm literally just ooh, felt something brush by me. All right. Never magnet fished like this before, where you literally just walk around in the water. I'm not gonna lie, it's a little creepy. This would be like random deep spots. Oh yeah, more bars. Whew. Oh, a horseshoe. Heck yeah. Oh, heck yeah, guys. Damn it. It's a freaking like TV box or something. Oh crap. There are a crap ton of bees. Oh crap, oh crap, oh crap, oh crap, oh crap, oh crap, oh crap. Oh, you got me. Oh my god, there's so many bees over there. It's like I've been hearing like dragonflies buzzing around and I turn and look real fast. All right. Snatch and go. 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 A magnet. So yeah, I legit thought this was a safe. Whew. Which is mainly why I put so much effort into getting this. But I'm pretty confident now. This is what, like a VHS player? Maybe a DVD player, I don't know. I guess it's probably a DVD player because I can't push that in. Oh, man. Well, if you need one of these, I got you. We got something. Oh, it's part of like an old like wrench or something. You see the handle right there? A really, really, really old wrench. Oh, it's just a massive pipe. Stop spinning, you're gonna fall. What else is on here? Big rusty nail. Ooh, a crappie hook. Nice. Whoa, we got something big. I can't see it yet. It's another one of those things. Here's a hint, guys. Before you start just like lifting up plastic things or little housing type scenarios, you know what I'm talking about, like TV box, stuff like that, give it a chance the second you get it out of the water to let the water that's in there drain. So slowly bring it up over the surface because it can have a lot of water in it. Ah, yeah. What does this say? Optimized video retention. You think this is worth anything still? Well, slide into my DMs if you want one, guys. I got 2 now. Oh gosh, that was a strong connect. Come on, rope. I don't know if you guys can see that. Whatever it is freaking huge. So we gotta go back down there through those bees. I literally just threw my phone on the ground for some reason. What in the heck is this? It's so freaking heavy. I don't even know if I can get out of the water. My only goal right now is to kind of just not get stung. Ah. Holy crap, I think it's a safe. I feel a handle on it. No, it's empty, no, but it's a safe. Dump all the water out. No way. Are these money bags? Oh my Lord. What else is down here? Soda bottles. All right. I don't know, it actually looks like a, wow, I'm a freaking idiot. That's part of someone's waiter. Don't mind me, y'all. Ah, yes! Whoa, there are a lot of bees. There are a lot of bees. You're not a bee, you're a butterfly. Your friends are bees though. What's this? What the heck is this though? Is this another one of them historical wheels? That's a joke, y'all, I swear. But it's got like, I wonder if this was the door or like the handle to that safe. Huh. We got something big again, guys. Oh my God, it's the safe door. It is the safe door. Stay on there. God, this sucker's heavy. Woo! Come back. Oh my God, that's an animal, y'all. What the heck is this thing? This came out of this. What the heck is this? It has like little legs.
I've never even seen one of these before. Dang, did I kill it though? Damn. I'm not gonna lie, I mean, it may have already been dead because it's already kind of stiff. What the heck is that? Let me just flip it. It has little spots on it. Does it have a mouth? I thought that was a lure at first, guys. That is a real, like, living thing. Well, it was alive. All right, buddy. I'm sorry if I did that to you. I swear it was unintentional. You're gonna make somebody dinner, so circle of life at least. Well, bummer. I hate killing things, y'all. Like when I'm not gonna like use it for something, like say if I'm going crappie fishing or squirrel hunting or something like that, I have no problem, you know what I mean, utilizing that resource. That's basically what they're here for. But I just kind of hate like accidentally running over a squirrel with your car. Like there's just, because it's just like, oh, wasted life, you know. It's trying to slide off. What are you? Come to me. Come to me. What the heck did that used to say? I don't know, but we just found a sign, guys. Oh my God. The back of my truck is gonna be stuffed with crap here in a minute.
So what y'all think of my specs? Look pretty good, right? Yeah. Nah, it's cool. You ain't gotta lie to me. I know they look terrible. It's the unfortunate side effect of wearing glasses, as if wearing glasses isn't unfortunate enough already. I gotta rock these like overshades so I don't, you know, go blind. Pretty unfortunate. But oh my goodness, I totally forgot this place is covered in bees. I was literally just coming down here to look at the safe. Yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna be able to do with that. It's so heavy and I don't want to take it to the dump and they see me throwing away a safe. They'll be like, hey dude, where'd you get that? And I'll just have to say, none of your business. And then, you know, awkward conversations start. Let me walk away from here. I want to make good eye contact with y'all even though I'm wearing some shades. I'm trying to make some good eye contact, but I'm looking at the ground because I'm scared of all these bees. All right, y'all, say bye to the bridge. Goodbye, Mr. Bridge, Mrs. Bridge. Are bridges males or females? Holy crap, I must have missed that day in school. Oh well, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here, guys. Today was so much fun. I can't believe I found that safe, that sign, and all that other crap. Oh, a horseshoe, I almost forgot. You can't beat a good horseshoe. But like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. I just want to let you guys know that I truly 150,000,000% appreciate you guys. Every single video, every single comment, every single like, and even every single dislike. I appreciate y'all for coming here and checking me out. Past that, I didn't really know what to say. We can wave at that car coming by. Say, hi car! Tomorrow is the 4th of July, so happy early 4th from me to you, even though when you see this, it'll be a couple days late. Nevertheless, I appreciate y'all, I love y'all, and I'll see you next time.